I was in grade 5 when I first learned about the cultural heritage monuments in Nepal, and I was really intrigued by the monuments that has been constructed by our ancestors. Temples, stupas, monasteries, churches, mosques, they're all a part of a tangible heritage that we see in day-to-day life. And when there is a loss in these tangible monuments, cultures and traditions that has been followed like from the thousands of years ago also gets lost away. In the 2015 earthquake, it brought everything down and we had to rebuild it back. We came up with this idea of helping the reconstruction process, and by using the modern drone technology, creating digital 3D models, and not just assisting the current reconstruction process, but also to help our future generation to rebuild it back if they had to face similar challenges again.
Youth CoLab has helped us realize that the businesses and the social enterprise are not built inside a room, but talking to various peoples, explaining, validating your ideas is very important.
It is really important for us to partner with the local government because we are working with a very sensitive part of our community.
The devastating earthquake of April 2015 did substantial damage to the intangible heritage. Now, in order to reinstate all of those, the old tradition of workmanship didn't work too much. So we need a modern technology, and the fusion of old and modern technology does work nicely. The youths of today are the leaders of tomorrow. So in order for them to be make familiar of this job, we need them to be aware of the modern technology.
Whatever I have learned about our heritage and our culture is from our ancestors, my parents and my grandparents. So I believe that just creating a 3D models and maps is not enough. We need to teach our future generations so they would experience it and realize its importance so that their grandchildren should follow their footsteps as well.